Hello and welcome back. Now quickly in this video, let's go ahead and create the routes middleware function that we need, and then we add it to the server routes middleware function, and then we add this route server function into app.ts. So go ahead and create a file called app.ts, and then another file. I'll call this routes.ts. Okay, so let me start with this routes. Okay, this is where we are going to define all the routes that we are going to have in the auth service. Okay, and we're going to do that. We export function. I'll call this app routes. Okay, it's going to take app of type application, and then we import that from Express, and this is going to return void. Okay, now for this we don't have any route defined. Let me see if we can use, so that I don't have this and I don't want to log it. Okay, I don't want to log this. Let's see. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'll just create a middleware for now. I'm going to change it, okay, so that I don't log this, and here, okay, and maybe I can do it console.log. I'll call this app routes. Okay, this is just a placeholder. We are going to change it. Okay, it's just a placeholder. Right here. Okay, so later we'll change this. This is just a placeholder for now. Now I'll copy this app routes, then go to my server file, and then here I'll paste it, and then add app, and then also we need to import. Okay, let's change the import part. Okay, so we have this right now. The only thing left for us in this file is our start queues. Okay, we don't have that yet, and then probably we might also update this start elastic search. Okay, yes, we'll also update this function as well, but not at not anytime soon. Okay, now let us go ahead and use this start function inside our app.ts. Remember, this app.ts is the entry file to the application. So when the application starts, this is the entry file. Okay, here let me use an arrow function. So I'll say const initialize. Okay, it's going to be empty and it's going to return void. Okay, this is how we use an arrow function, and then we call initialize here. Okay, so what we want to do, we are also going to update this as well later. Const app of type express. Okay, right here, equal to express. Let's see if we can import it. Yes. Okay, and then we need this start method, app. Okay, yeah, I can change this to auth. Okay, one other thing we can do, let's use our database. Okay, so we can call this database connection right here. So let's go ahead, call the database connection function. Okay, and then we import the database connection. Okay, so anytime we start the server, it's going to connect to the database. Okay, and then if the connection is successful, we should see this log information. If it is not, we should see the error log information as well. Okay, so we will need to update this maybe later. There's one other thing we'll need to add, but once we start adding our code, we come back here to update this function.